say today we take class up to 1:30 only because I have exam duty. I'll take 1:30, then we can go for next class. I hope you have break actually from what day? Are you audible?
Yes, sir.
From, from when we are actually free?
From this month 16, sir.
16. So don't waste time, don't roam here and there. Sit at home and just take and rest and something you can do. Don't roam here and there. Well, outside situation is very bad. Just take rest for 2 or 3 days, then you can start reading. Last class. Last class we started actually giving formulas, radius, curvature for an Cartesian coordinate and parameter form equation. So we do some problems today, then we go for further problems. This last class we got the problem root x plus root y is equal to 1 at 1/4, 1/4. What is the answer we got?
By root 2.
What is the answer? 2 by root 2. No, 1 by root 2, I think so.
Yes, sir.
We do one problem, then we can go for another. See, find the radius of curvature. Root x plus root y we completed. Then find the radius of curvature at xy. He is not telling any number. Any point is just generally is asking. For all points is possible. For the curve a square y, x cube minus a cube. He is asking to find the radius of curvature at x comma y. So you can take it for granted if xy is a point. If they given particular points like the previous problem you see, they given 1/4, 1/4. So I take it and I got the numerical values. Just you can keep as is xy only in terms of xy. Then what is the formula, radius of curvature formula? What is the formula? 1 plus y1 square whole power 3/2 divided by y2. Where y1 is equal to dy by dx, y2 is equal to what? D square by dx square. Another thing, while doing the radius of curvature, one thing you can remember, the radius of curvature cannot be negative. Correct or not? Now find out, now y1 you can find what is the y1 value? What is y1 value?
Three x square by a square.
So y1 is equal to what? 2x square by a square. So point is not mentioned, you can keep as is. Then y2 is what? 4x by a square. Go back and substitute it. Then what will you get, tell me? You go back and substitute it. What is the formula? 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. y1 square, y1 is what? 2x square by a square. Whole square means what you will get? Rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square. 2 is y1 square. 4x to the power of 4, a power 4. Return whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2 is what?
Sir, y1 is 3x square by a square. Sir.
What?
y1.
Acha. Thank you. Yes. Then y2?
6x.
6. Thank you. I'm checking how many of you sleeping or not. Okay. Then thank you anyway. So y1, then y2. Go back and substitute it. Rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. 1 plus y1 square is what? 9x to the power of 4 by a to the power of 4. Whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2 is what? 6x by a square. Yes. Now simplify. If you simplify, what you will get actually? A power 4, 9x to the power of 4, whole power 3 by 2. This a power 4, 3 by 2 means what is the balance you will get? Tell me. A power 4 whole power 3 by 2 means become what? A power 6, huh? Correct or not? A power 6. This become what actually? If we take reciprocal, a square by 6x. Now if we simplify, what you will get? A square a power 6 cancel, a power 4 balance. So divided by 6x a to the power of 4. This is the radius of the vector. If we give the points x comma y, so all points is useful. Then see, important note. See, we are finding dy by dx at some point. Suppose if it is dy by dx is 0 means what? Infinite, sometimes becomes infinite. So what you will do that time? So very important. Suppose if dy by dx is equal to infinite means what you will get? The whole formula will change. Dy by dx is equal to infinite. That's how I did it. After I did double. See, suppose if dy by dx is equal to infinite means what we cannot substitute. What is our formula? 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 y2. That itself is problem. So this time what you will do, you can find dx by dy. Because first order derivative we can reciprocal allowed. Second order we can't do. So find dx by dy. So what you like formula? Rho is equal to 1 by dx by dy whole square whole power 3 by 2. Then d square x by dy square. X is you can treat as a function of y. Now there you can treat as a y is a independent, x is a dependent like this. So previously y is equal to f of x you will treat. Now x is equal to f. So this is very important. Just note down. If dy by dx is equal to infinity, first order derivative can be reciprocal. That's why I am taking this formula. Second order I have to find. We cannot escape. So dy by dx put to infinity means dx by dy become what? Dx by dy become what?
0.
0. So that's very important. Note down.
So,
Yes. Tell me.
sir, if dy by dx is equals to infinity, then dx by dy is equals to 0.
Yes.
Then the second order derivative should also be
How it is 0?
0. But then how can we put it in the denominator?
Wait. Dx by dy is 0 at that point. Again, you have to find dx by dy using variables. Again, you can that value you can substitute it. 0 you are not differentiating. Getting or not?
Okay, sir.
You are not differentiating 0.
Yes,
dx by dy at x1 y1 is equal to 0. Suppose if we have x by y is equal to 0 means what? Dx by dy infinity. Suppose second derivative means what? Suppose if it is cancelled means what? Maybe it's not be 0. Maybe this example becomes 0. What I given? There you cannot get. That time it's possible. Second derivative infinity means we can't do. But we are doing d square x by dy square. Carefully, if the 0 means not guaranteed it won't get. I will do one problem, you'll understand. Take. Find the radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. Y square is equal to x square plus 8 at minus 2 comma 0. Find y1, what you will get? 2y1 is equal to 2x. So y1 is equal to 2x by 2y. y1 at minus 2 comma 0 is what? Infinity. So this formula is not allowed. So what I will do? dy by dx at the minus 2 comma 0 is infinity means what? Dx by dy is become what? Make it reciprocal. First order differentiation is reciprocal allowed. Y by x. Then dx by dy obviously at this point is what? Minus 2 comma 0 is 0. Now find second derivative. Second derivative, if you do it, take y by x and you can differentiate. Getting or not? Am I confusing? Okay. Tanvi.
Yes, sir.
Understanding or not? Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
dx by dy 0, but dx by dy is what? X is function of y. So where I am having x, there I will let dx by dy. Previously, where I am having y, I will let dy by dx. Correct or not? So carefully you can do second derivative. I will do the second derivative. So, see, I will rub off. Differentiate. I am class like that. Now you can differentiate what you will get. D square x by dy square is equal to denominator square. Denominator into differentiation of numerator. Y is 1 you can write. You can y can treat as a x minus numerator into differentiation of denominator dx by dy you can make. Getting or not? Like x1. Okay or not? Denominator square, denominator into differentiation of numerator. Actually, y you have to write dy by dx, but I don't write here. I am writing x is function of y. Y1 minus y into x I will write dx by dy. But dx by dy, that point value is what? What is that value?
0.
A.
Y by
dx
x.
by, no, okay, y by x. dx by dy at minus 2 comma 0 is what?
0.
So this fellow
Zero.
is
0.
at that point if I substitute. X by x square is what? 1 by x. If I substitute minus 2, this thing is think logically. So what I will do? D square by dx at minus 2 comma 0 is what? This is totally waste. With pencil you can strike it. This is what? X by x square 1 by x. 1 by x means what? Minus 1 by 2. Am I correct? Let's say I'm skipping the steps. If you want, you can substitute and see, no problem. X you can substitute it minus 2, denominator minus 2 whole square. Y value you can substitute it 0 into dx by dy. Also you can substitute 0, then you can do nothing. Just I don't want to do all sort of nonsense. So already I know this fellow anyway become vanished because 0 into 10 lakhs also waste. This is 0. Top remaining is what? X by x square 1 by x. 1 by x if I substitute x is equal to minus 2 means what? My job is over. So d square y by dx square minus 2 comma 0 is what? Minus 1 by 2. Any problem? All of you okay or not? Say yes or no. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So can I go for
Yes,
any
sir.
doubts? Anjali, any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Confirm.
Yes, sir.
Now, this what I want to do. Now my formula is what? Rho is equal to 1 plus x1 square if you want, right? Where x1 is equal to dx by dy. Or first time we can write dx by dy also. x1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by x2. Where x1 is equal to what? Dx by dy. x2 is what? D square x by dy square. So rho at minus 2 comma 0 what I will get? What is the value? Tell me.
Minus 2.
Hey, already I told you radius of curvature is what? Cannot be what?
Negative.
So what you get?
Negative.
Plus 2.
Plus 2 bar. Check again.
Plus how?
Denominator yaar.
Sir, x2 is minus 1 by 2.
X2 is what?
Min-
Thank you. Then
2.
very good. This time I think whether Anjali is sleeping or
2
not.
plus 2.
Thank you. Okay. Up to here, okay. Then do some problems like this. You have a notes with these notes I have not sent you, no. This chapter I have sent you, no. This probably can try. Xy square is equal to a cube minus x cube. If you want, I will tell you answer 3a by 2. This is also good problem. While substituting the values carefully, you can substitute same values, x value also same values, y value also same value, and that to homogeneous function. Blindly don't substitute it. Suppose x by y means what? X also 3a by 2, y also 3a by 2 means what? Normally you will get 1 like this. Like this you can think. Simply don't substitute 3a by 2 whole cube, 3a by 2 whole square divided by y cube means what? 3a by 2 whole square, less than cancel. How do? Logically you can think, mentally actually. Then you can attack. Nicely, roughly you can see what value, how many values will be, because x and both are same points. This was cut, right? This is you will get actually infinite point. A comma 0, guarantee infinite ability. This is okay, normal problem. You can try. If you don't get, I will help you. I have exam duty today. Mark invigilation actually. So online they are conducting some from private company taken. So very tedious actually. So if you turn your face also, you will be logged out. Maybe your final exam will be there. For me, duty is there. 1:30 I will stop the class. Just I will give one exam, one problem I will give and explain. Then I will leave. See, this is what actually in parametric form, correct or not? X is in terms of theta, y is in terms of theta. So parametric form, what a given formula? X dot square, y dot square, whole power 3 by 2, xy minus yx, x is single dot, y is double dot, y is single dot, x is double dot. Where x dot is equal to dx by d theta, y dot is equal to dy by deta, x double dot is equal to d square x by theta square. Y double dot is equal to d square y by d theta square. These are all things you have to do. No, I don't want to do. I go for this formula means some textbooks they will follow this formula only. This how we will do. Find dy by dx. Dy by dx how we will find dy by d theta by dx by d theta. This and d square y by dx square how we will find out. Dy by dx you will get in terms of theta. That function you can do with respect to theta. Into extra you can do d theta by dx. Already you will get dx by theta some value. Make it reciprocal and multiply. You will get second derivative. Then you can substitute and do. Maximum 90% of textbooks they follow like this. If you go miss for somewhat a day, x dot square, y dot square, x dot, y double dot formula I can remember. Maybe it's 1 mark, it may be useful. While doing the problem, big chapters is what? You can do like this, Cartesian form. Getting or not? So you can do. Can you able to do or not? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So how we will do that formula also you can try. If you have time, this also you can try. Both values same, getting or not you can check. Then I will stop here. We meet on maybe again when we are meeting 3rd actually. 3rd December. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
No, fourth.
4th, sir.
4th January. Okay. Stay safe actually. All the best and wish you happy Christmas and happy New Year also. Meet you again.
Merry Christmas, sir. Happy New Year, sir.
Thank you.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye. Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Don't roam at home either here and there because outside situation is very dangerous. Stay at home, take rest actually. Sleep more time. That also don't play with mobiles also. Keep away all time mobile and laptop, like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, everything. Okay, we meet on 4th. Maybe in between I will send you notes in whatever, maybe videos I will send you, don't worry. Just I'll leave here. I have exam duty, immediately I want to join there. Okay, sir, bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.